Hi, I'm Amy Sikarskie. I'm an intuitive channel and master energy therapist.
And hi, I'm Layla Taylor. I'm an Akashic reader, a Reiki master, and an intuitive guide.
And we would like to invite you to an online experience where you can find community, peace, and activations to step into your soul light and purpose.
So, if you feel like you struggle with connecting to your intuition or trusting yourself, maybe you struggle with fear and self doubt, overwhelm, and you're really looking for a way to start connecting into that sense of inner knowing, connect with your spirit guide, spirit team, and be able to learn how to trust yourself, we have the membership for you. So, me and Amy collectively have worked with over thousands of people in over 25 years of combined experience, helping people connect into their intuition and transform their lives. So, this is Soul Wise LA, the membership for you to connect in to your sense of knowing, to create peace, learning how to balance your energy, and how to work in a way where you feel connected to your soul light.
Each month, we offer monthly master classes based on a specific theme to assist you in your awakening process. We have energy healing sessions, Q&A coaching calls, meditations, workbooks, guest speakers, and so much more.
We're so excited to have you join Soul Wise LA with Amy and I. It's truly a soul calling and a pleasure for us to connect with you and connect you to a larger community where you can feel supported, safe, while connecting into your intuition, spirit team, and inner knowing.
Yes, so if you would like to join us, we invite you to head on over to soulwisela.com and check out all of the offerings and to get in on our founders pricing.
Yes, don't wait.